right, we are done our coding. We are now ready to create our test user, and then we'll come back in the last video and we'll actually run our test. So for this video, you need to be in your Notes client, and we are going to just inspect a couple of things first. But basically, what we want to do is create a user that is, it mirrors a real user in your organization. So somebody who's actually going to use this application. And if we take a look at what we've done so far, of course, we've got our Domino administrator, we've got our user for IM, and then we created these two, App1 and App2. And App1 we've been talking about a whole bunch. App2 we haven't really used. But the concept is that you can create as many app users as you wish, and these will be the things that you can use to wire in all of the different communications and security and authentication and everything else that you need in order to use all of this cool stuff that we've been creating. We don't actually have a user here that we can test with, so we're going to create just a test user. Now, this is a user that the key thing here is that this person needs to have some means of logging in, and the IM server uses LDAP for authentication, and LDAP authentication is done through, primarily done through an email address, and that's how we want to configure things here. So we're going to create a user. They don't need to be a full-blown Notes user, but they do need to have an account and have a internet password and an internet email address, and that can be whatever you want. We'll go through and actually do a proper setup here, but we won't create a Notes account, or sorry, a Notes mail database for this user. So let's open our server first, which is Scotty, and here we are. We're in the server. So we want to be under people, and we want to go to people, register. And we are going to, probably by now, given the use of Scotty, I guess I haven't really talked about it, but years ago I worked for an organization that named all of their servers after characters from Star Trek. So that's why this is called Scotty, because one of my servers back in the day was Scotty. So our test user is going to be Mr. Sulu. And for those of you that know your Star Trek trivia, you know that Mr. Sulu's real first name is Hikaru. So Hikaru Sulu. That's good enough for a short name. Again, we will use our standard password for everybody. Mail system will just say as other internet mail. Password options, you do need to dumb it down. You also want to double check that it's set internet password is ticked by default, which it is, thankfully. And we're going to create a Notes ID for this person. Under mail, that stays blank. Under address, we can say hsulu at c3ug.local or whatever, doesn't matter. ID info, all of this stuff is normal. Do we want to create a? No, we don't, because we're actually creating this in the ID vault, so that's good. All the rest of this stuff I think is perfectly fine. So let's register our user. And our person is registered successfully. We hit done. There we go. And if we take a quick look, we have our forwarding address is set as hsulu at c3ug.local. Something to keep in mind here, internet certificates. There is no need to tie an internet certificate to this user. Again, we just want to create a normal user in your organization, and it's all of that certificate, internet certificate, and all the configuration and everything else that you do with the app users that lets you use your regular user population be able to use these applications that you're going to create. So from this perspective, we're good. Now we need to give Mr. Sulu access to our test database. So if we switch over to the Files tab and we select the Node API demo database and we open and choose Manage ACL, we are going to add Mr. Sulu. And again, typical person in our organization, so they're set up as a person with author access and can create documents. That's what's going to support this demo, but they don't need any of this act as user or any of that kind of stuff, so this is good. And now let's do a test. So we bring up our browser and https://scotty.c3ug.local/node demo, and we're going to open up the all contacts view. So prompting for username and password. Now this is Domino security, so we can use the username without the email address. to test that it's working. And there we go. So what we know is that our user was registered properly, that at least Domino likes the security setup, accepts the internet password, and they can log in. So we know that he's got access to the database. So that's the test that we want to do now to confirm that our user is ready to go. We'll come back in the next video and we'll actually run our auth code flow test and see the results of that and wrap up this entire education series. So we will talk to you in the next video.